Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can know your exact location in Google Maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything and just follow me. If you have any queries or problem, just let me know in the comment section right away. So now let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps, and then let's see somewhere around here, or let's say I'm looking after here. So to know my exact location or where am I right now, what you need to do is over here you'll be having this option, this button over here. Just press on it and it will redirect you to your particular location, and just press it, and then over here you'll be having the locations of your current location, or let's say your exact location, like this. Just press this and you'll be in your location like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you know it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.